Good evening, guys. Welcome to my channel, Journey to Wealth. In this particular channel, I have created this first video, and it is a series where I am going to grow my account from $60 to $600,000. Yes, it's right. I'm trying to develop my account size from $60 to $600,000. That's the first very big task for me. Now, as you can see, the account balance over here is 304.36 US dollars. I'll be sharing with you all that for this entire journey, I'm going to use two indicators. One indicator is freely available, and the other indicator is made by me, and that is a totally private indicator. If anyone wants to subscribe for it, I'll further give the details about how to subscribe for that indicator. Okay, so I'll just show you the glimpse of that indicator. One indicator is ultimate tool made by me, Journey to Wealth, and this indicator I found it very much amazing. This indicator's name is Day Trading Booster by DGT. I'll just show you first about this particular indicator. So what I am using over here in this indicator is very simple thing. I am only bothered about this particular segment, which shows me when which which particular session is going to open. Because as you can see over here, the indicator describes itself very well that timing when day trading can be everything. So I just want to be there looking at it, that what at what time what is the market doing, and that is what gives me an extra input, extra insight to the market. Now, moving further, I'll just show you my indicator which I have created. So let me just show you my indicator here. Now this indicator is very simple. It has a purple colored line, and it has this particular line which one can consider it to be a moving average type of line. Okay. There is a strategy based on this particular indicator which I teach to only those people who will subscribe to the indicator. Okay. So basically I'm just going to use these two indicators, and I'll be trading in my account till date. Like I have traded in my account, I'll just show you the history of the deposit and withdrawal. As you can see over here, that the deposit was made on 18 hours of 13th of December. Okay, and that was $60.57. Before that, on the same day in the afternoon, I wanted to deposit $60, but instead of that, for trying out the indicators, what I did was I deposited $21, and from that $21, in order to do a trial thing, I lost the entire amount, and thus you can see here the compensation part is written. But before doing this, I had deposited these two amounts on 7th and 8th of December respectively, and you can see for the same amount I had grown that amount, and I had withdrawn that amount as well. Okay, so this particular amount of $60 was a very fresh amount. Now I will show my trading history so that you can get an idea about what were the trades. Just a minute, I'll just clear this out. Yes, I'll show my trading history to you all, and here it is. These are the trades which have been closed. Okay, I'll show them day wise. Now as you can see, I'm going to show you the entire history day wise. I'll first move with the first day, that is 13th of December. Okay. Now, as I said, on 13th of December, I made few losses. Okay. And that few losses caused me to blow my account entirely. The $21 account was blown totally. So these are the trades which were made, and this is how the $21 were lost. And after depositing the $60, I made no trade in that day because I never got a trade as per my indicators. So I stopped for that particular day. Now we will talk about the next day, that is 14th of December. So on 14th of December, I started my trading account. You can see this is the history of 14th of December trades. So this is an entire history, and you can see over here that on 14th of December, after cutting the commission, see, first thing I want to tell you that the account which I hold is with the broker named as Exness, and my account is called as a zero trading account. Okay, zero account where I don't get any kind of spread. Okay, and it is also a swap free account. You have to opt for that option if you want a swap free account. And mostly I'm a day trader, so I'm not concerned about the swap part. Okay, so on 14th of December, the total amount of profit after cutting out the commission was near around $18, and my capital was around at $78. Okay. After this particular day, we will move ahead to the next day, next day basically. So first day, I made a profit of around $18, and my capital went to about $78. On the next day itself, I started trading at $78. This is 15th of December. And now here 15th of December is very big day for me. Okay. Because you can see this was the first trade over here on 15th of December. The first trade gave me $26 profit. Then as you can see, I am also giving the market stop losses. But here you can observe that my stop losses are really small as compared to the profits. Okay. So here I gave stop losses. Okay. Then again I made some profit. Then I gave some stop loss. Then again few trades. It was an error trade. You can say the direction was right. The execution was to be done at a market order, but unfortunately, it was my mistake. I made it as a market order. It was not a pending order, it was a market order. So the execution went wrong, and thus I made a $30 loss, means $10 each, plus the commission part. So my account went down again. Then two trades went in loss. Okay, it took the SL, it took my stop loss. Then furthermore, let's just move ahead. I'll just delete this. Yeah. 15th of December, we will see further. The next few trades were very interesting. My view was very much right. After this particular error, you can see all the trades were in gold. Okay. After few errors, entry errors, and giving two stop losses, I again took entry and I came in overall profit. So at the end of the day, I closed my account with a profit of, means with a capital of $159. So it was already $100 gain from where I started. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Sorry. Let's move ahead with the next part, that is today's date. Okay. This is 16th of December, as we all can see over here. And on 16th of December, these are all the trades I have taken from the morning. And you can see my capital right now from $159. from $159 in this entire day, I took few trades. As you can see, the first trade which I took was in gold. It gave me around $12 profit. Then again in gold, it took my stop loss and I lost $10. Then I gained $34, $21, $17, $21, $21. But in USD JPY, in the evening, there was a quick movement, a sharp movement. And in that sharp movement, I lost near around $50 plus $7 in commission. So around $60 round I have lost, and my capital came down. But my view was very much correct. The indicators were giving accurate signal. My entry got little bit messed up. I made few early entries, you can say. Eventually, I ended up in a very good profit and I made near around $120 profit in these two trades. And now as you can see, my capital has became $304. Now guys, this is a series where I thought about just flipping my account from $60 to whichever part I could take. At instance, that was my main motive. But later on, I thought that there should be some distinctive goals. So, what I am going to do is, I am going to give you a link in the description. Okay. And before that, what we are going to do over here is, we are going to just calculate that what was my deposit amount. Deposit amount was $60.57. We are going to calculate what is the percentage gains. So my current capital is $304. So I'll just mention it, 304.36 minus 60.57. The answer is $243.79. Now if I'll just divide this with my initial capital 60.57 and I'll simply multiply it with 100 to get the percentage. In 3 trading days, my account has grown 402%. Yes. So what I'm going to do now, as soon as I'm going to publish this video, okay, it will be there available on my channel. But in front of you all, what I'll be doing is, I'll be placing the withdrawal request. Okay. So just by doing it, just a second. So as you can see over here, I have made a withdrawal request. Okay. And I'm expecting that withdrawal request to be processed soon. So now this capital will be back to $60.57. Now I just hope that each and every person over here wants this thing to happen, that their account should grow from $60 and it should turn to $600,000. So this series is about turning $60 to $600,000. And if you all want to join with me in this particular journey, then you can definitely join. I'll be providing my Exness trading account partner link in the description box below. So you can just create your account. You can create your account. You can deposit $60 if you want to. And you can send me a message on the Telegram stating that you have created your account and you want to join the particular program of converting 60 US dollars to 600,000 US dollars. Then we will be taking our journey ahead. we will be taking our journey ahead, and we will be growing the account together. So all you need to do is you just need to create your forex account under my link in Exness trading broker. The link of creating an account will be given in the description box. I'll check whether you have created under my broker link or not, and then I'll add you to a private group on Telegram. Okay, on that particular group, whenever I'm about to take a trade or I believe that there is a entry coming up, I'll be just sharing that entry in the group along with which lot size I am taking, what is uh, the particular stop loss I have kept, what is my target. If the indicator suggests that you have to get out from the market early, then each and everything will be discussed in that particular group. Okay, but for that, in order to join the group, you just have to create an account in Exness under my link, and you have to send me the details of your trading ID, that you have created your account under my link and this is your trading ID. Like you can see over here, this is my trading ID. Okay, you can see over here, this particular thing over here is the trading ID. Okay, so I'll need this particular thing from you people, that your trading ID, whatever your trading ID is. I'll just verify it in my dashboard and I'll add you in my group. Moreover, if anyone wants to know about my indicator and wants to buy a subscription for it, then feel free to text me, okay, on Telegram, that you want to buy the indicator, you want to buy the subscription of it, and I'll give you the required details about that as well. Now you can see over here there is one more indicator which I have created, that is I have named it as Calc5, and this is another indicator which is freely available. Okay, it is also created by me. The name of the indicator is GAN. Okay, now these indicators are helpful for crypto markets, but big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it is also useful for Indian stock market. So that part is a secondary thing. We are just creating the series and focusing on these two indicators. The use of day trading booster by DGT, I have loved this indicator, and honestly speaking, I use it just to see this particular thing over here. And whatever regions you are seeing, these regions are basically the opening zones, like the first 5 minute candle opening region. So these marks are also very much important for me, for my strategy to work. I know that if my strategy is going to fail, I need to get out of the market or not. Everything is said by this particular thing. Okay, so I'm in just love with this particular indicator, day trading booster by DGT, and obviously my indicator is working superb. It is working amazing, and you can see that we have see the withdrawal request is processed. As you can see over here, the withdrawal request has been processed, and my capital is now back to what it was deposited earlier, that is $60.57. Okay, so anyone who wants to join, they can simply join, and just send me a telegram message, and we will grow together simply from 60.57 US dollars to 600,000 US dollars. That's all for the day, guys. I hope you like the video. Uh, if you love the video, then please do subscribe my channel and share it with as many people as possible, because I want you all to be a part in my journey. Thank you.